This is Badger. Badger is an 18-month-old pit bull, so he's still a total puppy. He's been neutered. He has all of his shots. Poor Badger is here. He was abandoned by his family. So if you would like to give him a forever home, come meet him at the Humane Society. This is Ladybird. Ladybird is a red hound mix. She was brought in because she said that her owner said that she was very vocal, but she's a hound, and so of course she's vocal. She also knows all of her basic commands, and she's just a year and 2 months old. If you'd like to meet Ladybird, come on into the Humane Society. This is Knight. Knight is a pit bull mix. He's 3.5 years old. He lived with another dog and little kids in his previous home. The family had to bring him in because they were having financial problems and couldn't keep him anymore. So if you'd like to meet Knight, come on into the Humane Society. This is Leo. Leo is a 3-year-old pit bull mix. He is super sweet, very strong, however, but he does walk really well on a leash. He lived with 3 other dogs in his previous home, which was why he was brought in. They had too many animals. He loves to snuggle under the covers with you. If you'd like to meet Leo, come on into the Humane Society.